Okay. Yeah.
No, you fine. No, you could have said that. That's why I was asking what you're digging for. That's all.
Just like when people dig in their cars and stuff, it's just always like a safety concern for us, if you understand that. Like, you
Oh yeah, going to get my gun. Well, here's 2026 here.
Stuff like that because it happens, right?
That's why I'm saying like I'm being real with you. Of like I'm empathizing with why she would say that.
No, like that's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just got a call that you're wandering over to the camp over there. So we're just trying to see what's going on.
Yeah, I went for a walk and then said hi.
Yeah.
And then I left.
Yeah.
And I haven't went back, and I was literally about to leave.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure that like it was understood that you're not allowed over there. It is trespassing if you do go over there. But
right. Yeah. No. It was totally understood, and
okay,
like
cool.
I mean, it's expected that you guys were called because the women were very uncomfortable. Like the guy, the counselor I talked to there, he was super chill.
Yeah.
And I could tell that they were in fear, so like it makes sense that one of them would call you.
Yeah, it's just like you just never know.
Yeah, you're not in trouble or anything.
Yeah.
We just came to check on you, and
I hear that.
that's all.
Okay.
Do you mind if I just grab your name and stuff for my report? Just because you were trespassing, so I think.
I mean, like, it was like really friendly. I said hi and I left promptly when I
It is technically trespassing at night, right?
It wasn't at night.
Yeah.
Like,
the time that it is in the day right now, it's.
no, I wasn't at night. It was during like the sun was still up.
No, but it's technically according to the criminal code, it's nighttime.
No, it gets nighttime now when you guys are here and they made the call, but like.
Okay, well, regardless of daytime, nighttime, we still have a report that we have to do, and now we were called for you specifically, and that's why we're standing here right now.
Right.
So legally, we're also allowed to get your name from you, otherwise it's failing to identify.
Is it really failing to identify?
Absolutely is, yeah.
Okay. So is it going to be like all the information kind of thing?
Like your name and date of birth.
Right, yeah, so, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's expected, I guess, yeah.
Or if it's easier, if you don't want to say it all out loud, I get it. If you have a driver's license, that's fine, we can...
Well, no, it's not that. It's that, like, the information isn't going just to the cops. Like, there's...
It'll just go in my report.
Right, I hear that. I mean, at this point, like, it's known where I am. Not exactly.
Did you say it's known who you are? Is that what you said?
Oh, totally, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
And who are you?
Right.
I've never met you before in my life.
Well, yeah, okay.
Typically, like when people don't want to, it's because they're wanted or they have troubles with
there's no warrants on.
Okay.
It's not the Earth law that I'm concerned about.
Oh, okay, I see.
And like, and I do have authority in that space, and so it's like.
Sure.
That's where like the hesitancy is, and so I like to bridge it with these conversations, actually having human dialogue. Helps ground the space.
Okay.
So it's not like.
Like, because you think you might be in trouble if you tell us, or.
No, because if I simply just give it to you, without grounding the space with the dialogue, then it's like the information that you collect, it doesn't just go to the police on Earth. Like there's authorities that collect it beyond that, and those are what I meet in a very real way.
Okay. Well, if you want to avoid if saying it out loud is the issue, do you have a driver's license?
No, I do, but I could say it out loud. Like I said, like having this talk with you, girl, is like, or women, is like, helps ground the space.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, yeah. Does that make sense, or does it like?
No. I'm kind of getting it. I'm not 100%, but.
Like in a way. So when I've done it before, and I've just straight up given the information without connecting in a human way, it basically gives up my location to spiritual forces, which I'm against.
Okay.
And then that information can be used against me sometimes.
Okay.
So, but if I ground it in a human way, because we live in a vibrational reality, it dissolves that aspect. Does that make sense? It doesn't have to make too much sense, but like, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Can
Okay.
I just grab your
Yeah.
name
My
and your
name,
birthday?
yeah, Liam Peters, September 22nd, 1995. Yeah.
Are you on a road trip, Liam?
We are
Yeah, where are you guys going?
where we are called.
Oh, very good.
Years, sorry, September
22nd,
22nd, what year?
1995.
1995. Okay.
Yeah, Virgo. Yeah.
All right. What's your dog's name?
Oh, that's confidential. Okay.
No, I didn't.
It's Runa.
Sorry, say again?
Runa.
With an R?
Yeah.
Runa?
Yeah, there you go.
Gotta roll the tongue with
Yeah,
it?
you roll it. Yeah.
Okay. You guys are just going on a quick road trip?
Yeah. Oh, and we get license plate too. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's just because
Where are
your
you
car's
from?
involved, Liam.
Yeah, I understand that aspect too, and it's like, as for the like, yeah, I mean, like, humanity's growing up as far as awareness of these things.
Yeah.
We've like a lot of like the realities I live by are like anciently known. Like
Okay.
2,000 years ago, like the populace would be like, oh yeah, that's what's happening. But there's been a lot of like nihilism and kind of atheism, but like
Okay.
with like a saddened edge. Kind of like materialism press, I guess.
Sorry, I'm gonna attack my bugs right now.
Yeah,
bugs
that's
around
the-
here are so bad.
I hear you, yeah.
What do you
There's
got lit there?
spare incense if you want to
Oh,
grab
okay.
one. Yeah.
Oh, no.
That's a good call.
Yeah.
Very
Right.
good call.
Yeah, there's literally a swarm in the car, and that's why the hatch is open. So I'm gonna.
No, I swear, every time I open up
shot.
my car door when I'm on a call, they all swarm in, and then when I'm driving, I'm getting bitten. It's
Yeah,
a pain
I don't,
every
do you know
time.
the best way to clear them out?
How?
Oh, I'm asking.
Oh no.
Okay,
I
because
just
I've been
roll my
pumping
windows
the
down
fan.
and then just drive down the highway, and hopefully they all fly out.
Right, yeah, that's the idea. Okay.
Okay. Well, yeah, we just wanted to warn you, let you know, just not.
I understand. So like I said, like the guy I talked to is fine. He was super chill. We had a nice chat and like very friendly.
Yeah.
And it was like the fear in the women later
Yeah.
that came. It was like I didn't really even kind of address them because I could tell. Like,
Yeah, it was probably like a quick little stranger danger thing, right?
Yeah, and that's the
It's
thing.
all
It's like,
good.
and,
Yeah.
and I, you know, like traveling like I do, it's like sometimes it doesn't matter how you show up. You just get like you're gonna get called. Like sometimes I'll actually just show up. I'll like stop at the cop place beforehand, just
Like,
to be.
hi, I'm here.
Yeah, literally just to be like, hey, yeah, because I mean, powerful, like grounded, like
Holy
feminine
moly.
energy that I have, like intimidates women. So like they're gonna call because they're like, hey, this is just feels different here. So.
The guy I talked to, he didn't say anything bad about you. He said he was a super nice guy. It's just we have to be safe, like whatever. Like,
Right, yeah. So
he
he-
was super nice. about
Yeah, I
it,
know.
like-
Yeah, so you talk to him.
This is crazy.
He's cool. Yeah.
Are you camping out here for the night, or are you?
No.
No.
I was gonna say you might get
Yeah. You,
No, yes. No.
I might find you with mosquito bites tomorrow
Right.
morning.
Yeah.
No, you headed out.
Yeah.
Are you going to like
Crazy.
drive-in area? Or are you going back to like? west?
We're gonna get 100 mosquitoes out of the car and then make
Yeah,
a decision
no
as to
kidding.
which way.
All right, perfect.
And that's not hiding. That's very real.
Yeah.
Fair enough. You know what? Fair enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
So
got
I
it.
hope you drive safe.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Yeah.
Take
Nice
care,
meeting
man.
you.
Surprised your popper's just laying there.
Uh,
Good.
Mosquitoes.
Oh,
All right. Cheers.
boy.
Okay, take care.
Safe